everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you some beautiful DIY skirt costumes by using sarees for Bharatanatyam dancers. This video will be useful for those who are looking for some sort of costumes for dance but you don't want to spend much money on the costumes. Means you can easily prepare a costume by using any color of your sarees up to your preference. So I'm going to show you step by step how we can make these skirt costumes. Come, let's get started. So I'm going to use this saree to show you how we can pleat. So this is the pallu. This is the skirt length I want. So I'm going to fold the whole saree this way. The whole saree has been folded now. So I'm going to put some safety pins in between so it's easy for me to pleat. So once we done that, we need to do the pallu first. So whenever you choose the length of the pallu, for Bharatanatyam style, I prefer this much length because I'm not going to take this out, it is going to be inside. But if you want it as a folk dance style, you can measure the pallu up to this much length, so it will be nice on folk dance. So it's better to mark your shoulder point with a safety pin so you know where you're going to pin this. And also it's better if you could put a safety pin somewhere around here so that you know the rest of the sarees you can pleat completely. So I'm going to pleat the saree now. The best hack when we pleating the saree and stitching the pleats, it's better to always iron first and then iron the pleats first and then stitch it, so it's much easier and you don't need to iron it again after stitching the complete costumes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to iron the pallu first up to where we put the safety pins. So now I have ironed the pallu. So I'm going to pleat the rest of the saree. here I am using a cloth belt. I have measured my waist, so I'm going to pleat the sari according to my waist length. And it's okay if your pleats are longer than the waist length, you can tuck them inside. So I'm going to stitch a line from the top all the way up to here and a bottom line. It's a very simple stitching. So it's always better to stitch at the top and the bottom of the belt, so it can give you more grip. So the skirt costume is ready now. I have already ironed this saree the same way I showed you. So I'm going to use this saree for my first look. So I will show you with this saree how you need to secure the pins. So I have already secured my fabric here in the shoulder, and I am securing here as well. And then you need to secure with your legging over here. And then at the back. So those who have in Bharatanatyam costume, you will have the bars. So if you have the bars, you can wear the bars whichever the way you want to create a more elegant look. This way, or you can wear it this way. So I'm going to wear this way this time. This is the first look. This is the second look. I'm wearing a matching shawl. And I'm going to bring the pallu to my front side, and I'm going to secure it. Pleat the sari up to pallu and you can wear it as a full complete skirt, and you can wear some tops or crop tops or any sari blouse with the shawl.
And this is the third look, and I am using pattu shawl. This is we call as ponnade in Tamil. You can get it in variety of colors. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.